morning everyone, it's Gillian and I'm so excited to be vlogging today. I nearly didn't get those words out. We're off to a great start. I just popped some makeup on and did my hair a little bit, and as you can see I've got quite a bit of regrowth going on, but I'm trying to go as long as possible without having to bleach my roots because my hair is just so fried. Today's outfit is very casual but fun and comfy, and I love it. So I'm wearing this Friends, what is this, like a sweater from Urban Outfitters, and then I've just got this little gold coin necklace on, and I am wearing the most fun pants in the entire world. Are you guys ready? So these are the pants that I'm wearing today. They're leggings and they're pink with sprinkles and hearts on them, and I felt like wearing these today because they're really cute. Today's mission is to clean this apartment because it is so unbelievably messy. I don't know if you can see all the mess behind me. Look, it's there, it's in the dining room, it's in the kitchen, it's everywhere, and it's just getting to me. I think I can let my place get messy to a point, and then I'm like, I can't take it anymore. I have to clean everything, and we are at that point. So today, Operation Cleanup is happening. I'm in a bit of a crazy mood today, but that's okay. We're gonna put that energy into cleaning. And it is so messy, so there's a quick pan. Whoa, Minnie just meowed at me. Minnie, can you meow for them? Yeah? Yeah? Oh my gosh, like my slippers are in the background. This is just, sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. This is just not a good look, Minnie. Show everyone your white little paws. They're my favorite thing in the whole world. She's got white little socks on all her feet. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? It's so cute and high pitched. I love you. Mama loves you. I swear it doesn't normally look like this. Actually, that's a total lie. It usually looks like this. But I'm gonna clean it today. There's like craft supplies everywhere because I'm in the middle of a DIY video. That's my desk that needs to be cleaned. Look at my dining table. Yes, there's a dining table under there. That all needs to be sorted out. Oh, it's just such a mess. So let's get started.
Like a merry-go-round, my head is spinning. I see you rapping about, I'm sure as hell not. 'Cause in my mind we're smiling on the dance floor, late night skin dipping like we're on our own run. Got no words, no, 'cause we're so young. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words, no, we were so young. Now you're long gone. We're in your car singing crazy to the radio. I remember it like time's been frozen still. Oh, had no words, no, we were so young. Now you're long gone, and I know time flies by so fast. Still I'm thinking of you.
I'm gonna take a mini break now from cleaning. I've so far cleaned the kitchen, the dishwasher is on, I've cleaned the kitchen floor, and I've dealt with all the craft supplies that were on my living room floor, and they are now where they are supposed to be. I'm gonna go and pick up some lunch now. I think I'm just gonna go to McDonald's because it's the closest and it's the easiest, and to be honest, I really feel like a cheeseburger. So I'm gonna go get that because I'm so hungry. Oh my gosh, I'm ready for lunch. I'm back from my little adventure and I picked up my McDonald's for lunch, and I'm so excited because I'm really hungry and I know this is gonna taste so good. I remember once a few years ago I was getting takeaway, so I was going through a drive-through and it was at night and I had driven all the way there from home. I think it was like a 15 or 20 minute drive, and I was queuing up to go through the drive-through and I was by myself and I looked to my right, so it's at nighttime, and on the outside of my car window, a massive spider was crawling along it. It was a huntsman, if you live in Australia and you know what that is, and it was huge and it was climbing across my window. And of course, when you go through drive-through, you have to wind your window down. And I was like, what am I going to do? And you guys know I'm terrified of spiders, so I was totally freaking out. I was by myself. I had this spider in my car. There was like, I couldn't get rid of it because it was on the outside. So I put my car in reverse and pulled out of the drive-through line and drove off and drove all the way home with this spider on the outside of my car. So I didn't get my drive-through because there was no way I was going to wind that window down with that giant spider on it. Very scary time when I went through the drive-through, and I feel like it's always put this like fear in me every time I go through the drive-through that when I wind my window down, it's gonna be like a giant spider. Oh, it was awful. I think I may have even started crying because I was just trapped in this car because this massive spider was just there, and at night it looked even scarier because you could only see it under like the street lights, these massive spider legs. Oh, it was awful. Anyway, that didn't happen this time. It all went good, so I'm gonna eat my lunch and then we can keep cleaning. Okay, I've refueled my body with lunch and I'm ready to keep going. Isn't that right, Mousy? Is that my carpet that you're just ripping up? Hey, Mouse. Hey. I'm gonna put my earphones back in so I can keep cleaning because I am someone who cannot clean without listening to music. So let's put some Katy Perry on because I am obsessed with her at the moment and her music is my favorite thing right now.
I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
enough cleaning for today. I'm kind of over it now, but I'm happy with how it looks. My kitchen and my living room are nice and tidy. As I was making my bed, I realized that this is the first time you've seen my bedroom since I did my room makeover. And if you haven't seen yet my room makeover video, it is up on my main channel, Gillian Bauer. So make sure you check it out so you can see how I redid my room, because as you can tell, it is completely different. I'm even in a completely different bedroom now. I've moved into a different bedroom. I do like how my room turned out. I just don't know if I'm happy with the color scheme. I really tried to stay away from pink. You guys know how much I love pink, and I tried to do something different, and I do really like how it turned out. It is really nice. We've got some yellow and some blues and greens and just some really fun summery colors, but I am really missing the pink, so I think I might try and incorporate a bit more pink into this room. I think I might switch up the bedspread or something just to bring pink back in here. The other side of the room, I've just got these, ow, I just kicked the bed. You've just got these shelves here that I painted, which you can see me do in the video. And yeah, so that's all that's going on this side. I do really like this plant. I like how it kind of cascades down. I don't know, I think it looks really interesting. And then I've got this little sign from ASOS, and I wrote, "Do more of what makes your soul sparkle." Hashtag glitter. I thought that was a really cute little quote. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this home vlog. Let me know in the comments below if you like these vlogs, just following me around as I do normal day-to-day things like cleaning and vacuuming and the washing up and things like that. I don't know if you guys want to see more of it, so let me know in the comments below. I've got so much editing to do, so I'm going to jump into that for the rest of the night, and I might watch some Gossip Girl or something while I do that. That sounds like a lot of fun. I love you all to the moon and back, and thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!